Hello guys, welcome once again. Today I am so happy. Yesterday we designed this simple application using JavaScript. Okay, as you can see, we have employee ID card generator application. Now user can generate employee card in simple manner. When user select an employee from the list, and after selecting the employee, when user click on this button, a new card will be generated successfully. As you can see, new card generated, there is no problem. Let's open that. We have a nice employee card that has two sections, the front end section and the back end section. Okay, so today we want to enhance this application. We want to add another option. We want to preview this report in simple manner. Let's close the application. So in the first step, go to the design mode. We want to drag and drop a button. Let's change that text, for example, preview employee ID card. Okay. Now we have two options. This option is currently active. There is no need to write any code, but this option is not active yet. First, let's change name of the button. For example, between preview employee ID card. Okay. And after that, simple. For example, first, what we want to do, as you can see, we have already defined this method. This can convert employee ID card into PDF file. Okay. We want to copy the same method from here. Let's copy that, paste it here. Just change name of that, for example, print preview employee ID card. Okay, that is good. After that, we want to remove only these two lines of code. Remove that. Now the method is simple. We have a simple method, and here we passed employee ID as a parameter. Then we read database connection from the JDBC connection class. As you can see in the previous video, we created this class that this can establish database connection between Java application and MySQL database. Okay. After that, we defined a simple hash map because JasperReports has only one parameter, which is param1, and here we passed employee ID to get that value. Okay. After that, we specified the report path. As you can see here, we have reports folder. First, we have the base package, then we have the sub package. Okay. After that, we have the Jasper reports name. Thereafter, we defined the output file. Okay. As you can see here, we have generated cards folder. Inside that, now we have only one card. Okay. Thereafter, we fill the report. As you can see, we have report path, then we have parameters. After that, we have the database connection. So, before watching this video, I strongly recommend you to watch our previous video because in the previous video, we created this project from the scratch and we added different, for example, jars files like MySQL connector, barcode jar. We added different Jasper reports jars. Okay. So today, let's write minimum code to preview Jasper reports in simple manner. So first, we want to define JFrame. Simple, we have JFrame class. For example, frame equals new JFrame. Sorry. And here we want to pass, for example, title. We want to pass, for example, employee ID card preview. Okay. After that, let's specify the default closing option. Okay. Simple. We have frame dot set default close operation, and here we want to pass JFrame dot. We have different options. We want to use this option dispose on close. Yes, use that. After that, we want to add weight and height for the frame. Simple. We have frame dot set size. You can pass any size, there is no problem. We want to pass, for example, height 700. Okay. So thereafter, we want to open the form center on the screen. Simple. We have frame. After that, we have set location relative method, and we want to pass null value to open this form center on the screen. So this was the first step. We created a simple JFrame here. In the second step, let's add a JasperPrint preview. Simple. We have, for example, JRViewer. For example, viewer equals new JRViewer, and here we want to pass this print variable. Okay, because we want to print preview this report. Simple. Pass here. So thereafter, to that frame, let's add this viewer. Okay. Simple. We have frame dot add. We have viewer, and here we want to add, for example, layout border layout dot center. Okay. Sorry. So finally, let's show the frame. Simple frame dot set visible true. Okay. So we defined a new method here. This method, what we will do, this can print preview the employee ID card in simple manner, and there is no need for this line of the code. Let's remove that. So after that, let's generate event simple action performed, and we want to copy the same code. Let's paste it here. Instead of this method, we want to call this new method. Okay, let's call that. So let's save the changes. Then we want to run the application to see the result. So first we want to select an employee, then print preview. As you can see, we have a nice employee ID card. This is the front end side, and this is the back end side. Okay. From that print preview option, you can print this card as well, because here we have different options. You can convert to PDF also, there is no problem. You can preview another employee also. We have a new card here. After that, we have a new card here. Okay. So as you can see, today we implemented how we can preview Jasper reports using Java Swing application. But before watching this video, I strongly recommend you that to watch our previous video, because in the previous video, we designed this application from the scratch. We connected with MySQL database, and we fetched data from MySQL database. As you can see, we have the employee list. After that, we generated employee ID card as a PDF file. So if you have any questions or suggestions, you can write them in the comment. Please like, subscribe, and share my videos with friends. That is enough for today. Have a good day. See you in the next one.